Hey, let me show you how you can reset your OnePlus Nord CE5 with forgotten screen lock. So first of all, you will have to just switch off your phone. You can use the power key and slide to power off, or power key and the volume up button if you didn't remove Google Assistant. Now we have to click and hold both buttons, power key and the volume down button. So do this like so. And now when the screen turns off, we'll have to release power key and only keep holding volume down button. Now just be patient and wait for it until we enter the recovery mode. There we go. Now with the volume buttons you can navigate, so scroll to the English and click on the power key. And then you have to select format data, and over here you have to input that code like this. And now you have to click format. This is the only way to actually unlock phone without screen lock. So you are gonna remove everything from your phone, all the photos, accounts, just everything. After the reset will be complete, the phone will turn on with the first setup screen, and all you have to input is basically the previous Google account that you were using on this device, but the screen lock will be gone.